So here on this question, they're asking about the base price of the car plus 7.5% tax, which is similar to the problem where we were adding a tip in that you're going to multiply the percentage times the number to find out what the sales tax is. But in order to multiply this 7.5%, I'm going to first change it into a decimal. And to do that, it looks like a decimal already, but it's not. We call that a percentage. To change it into a decimal, like I did below, you see where I wrote it in blue, all you do is you find the decimal, which was here in the middle, and you move it 2 spots. And now you have 0.075. So that's how you change it into a decimal. And then we just multiply that times the base price of the car. And you can let anything be your variable. We can pick L, Q, P, whatever you'd like. I'll use X. So you'd say let X equal the base price. I'm just trying to get you used to hearing things like that. Let X equal the base price. I can't talk and chew gum. There it is, base price. And so I multiply 0.075. Let's write that below, where I have more room. And let me kind of move this over a little bit so I have a little more space to write. Okay, so now we're going to multiply that 0.075 times the base price, which we defined as X. And that's how you figure out how much the sales tax is. But then you also have to pay the base price of the car, right? So you got to add the base price of the car, which is also X. And you could switch those. You could do X plus 0.075 X. By the community property, it's the same thing. Now, I'd like to combine like terms. So notice there's like an invisible 1 in front of this X. And I can add that with the 0.075 over here. And when I add those coefficients, I get 1.075 times X. All right, so there's how you do that first one. The second one is more similar to the homework where it says the base salary of $500 per week plus a commission of 10.5% of sales. Here's how commission works. Like at a car dealership, they only give you a small amount of money for working there. Like maybe they give you $100 a week, which isn't very much for working, right? But then they say, if you sell a car, we'll give you 10% of whatever you sell. So if I sell a $20,000 car, 10% of that is $2,000. I just made $2,000 for selling one car. Like, that's really good. So I'm really motivated to sell that car. That's why I'm willing to lie. Okay, maybe that's going too far, but I'm telling you, some used car salesmen, they lie, for sure. It's actually a thing, right? Anyway, the point is, that's how commission works. You get a base price plus you get some commission. So they're saying the base salary is $500 plus I get commission, and the commission is going to be a percentage. So how do I make this 10.5% into a decimal? 10.5%. I'm going to move the decimal 2 spots, bloop, bloop, and I get 0.105. So it'd be 0.105 times the sales. So I'd have to define another variable, like maybe, I don't like to use the letter S because it looks like a 5. So maybe I'll use the letter Y. So let Y equal the sales. If that's true, then it'd be 0.105Y. And that's the entire answer. On this one, I don't have to combine any like terms because the base price isn't variable. I'm sorry, the base salary isn't variable. It's always $500. It doesn't change. And the other part is variable. That's how much I get for my commission. Okay? So, all right, that was your turn, number 1.